First off, I want to start by saying Merry Christmas to all, especially the bitches with bad weave. I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday. I hope your kids are happy with the presents you got them last year. That they're opening tonight. In the AM, I once again want to say Merry Christmas to all. I love you guys. And this is Late Night / Early Morning with Spencer Cox. Okay, let's turn up, guys. It's the holiday, New Year's. Have a happy holiday, everyone. Seasons is greetings is to be jolly and fuck it, Papa Molly. That's it.